Training Institute. In this session, we will discuss about IMDS version 1 and IMDS version 2. Guys, have you ever wondered how EC2 instance known its own IP address, instance ID, availability zone, and other stuff? If you see here, these are the metadata. So how this instance is getting the details? Okay, so answer is IMDS service, nothing but Instance Metadata Service. So in this session, we will discuss about what is IMDS, what is IMDS version 1, what is IMDS version 2, why Amazon is introduced IMDS version 2, okay, with commands. Instance Metadata Service is a service provided by the AWS that allows an EC2 instance to retrieve the information about itself. For example, an EC2 instance can get EC2 instance ID, private IP addresses, public IP addresses, security groups, availability zone, AMI ID, IAM roles, everything, whatever the data present in the metadata, those it will get using the IMDS service. So how to recognize my instance has IMDS version 1 or IMDS version 2? Go to the instances, select your instance, go here, IMDS option version 2. If it is optional, means that server has IMDS version 1. If it is required, the server has IMDS version 2. Okay, so if you are not able to get this information, click on the settings, go here, just enable the IMDS version 2. Okay, and just confirm. You will get the option here. So either optional or required. If it has optional, means the server has IMDS version 1. If it is required, here it is showing the required, it has IMDS version 2. So what is the difference between IMDS version 1 and version 2? IMDS version 1 is the original version of the metadata service. It is very simple. Whenever an application needs metadata of the instance, it directly sends an HTTP request to get the request. For example, I'm logging into my server. Currently, my instance has optional, means it has IMDS version 1. So I'm logging into the server. I'm running the command to get the metadata of my instance. I'm running it. If you see here, I'm getting the AMI ID, AMI launch index. These details I'm getting. So for example, from here, if I need to get the instance ID, I'm running the command. So I'm getting the instance ID by running this command. If you see here, instance ID is I'm getting. Okay, just verify it. This is my instance ID. Okay, ending with 2D8E. 2D8E. Okay, so like this, we are getting the metadata by running the commands. Okay, so for example, if any one of the application requires the metadata of the instance, just we can run this command. So if you see here, when I run this command, I didn't pass any authentication like password or token, anything. So no authentication is required when you are using IMDS version 1. So this is the main disadvantage if you use IMDS version 1, because there is no secure. To overcome this, AWS is introduced IMDS version 2. Okay, so if you see secure version introduced by the AWS, it requires a token. Okay, so it protects some malware attacks. Okay, so AWS also recommending this option for not only for the production, for all the environments. Okay, how to get the token, how to get the metadata using the tokens. Let's see. Before that, we need to change the IMDS version 2 of the server. if you don't change to IMDS version 2, so there is a easily malware attacks can happen. Okay, so because there is no authentication. So now I'm changing the version. Select the EC2 instance, go to the option, go to the instance settings and come down. Here we have the modify instance metadata option. Here choose the required. So if you choose this required means it has the IMDS version 2 and I'm just saving. Okay. If you see here, IMDS version is required means it is IMDS version 2. So I have changed the IMDS version 2. I am running the same command which I have used in the IMDS version 1. If you see here, I am just copying this one. Okay, I am going to the server. I am running it. If you see here, I am not getting any data. Means it is secure. We need to pass the some tokens to get the data. So like this, IMDS version 2 is helpful. Okay, so how to get the token? I'm passing this command to get the token. I'm just copying this one. You can get these commands from the AWS documents. So I'm getting, okay. So I can see the token as well. Okay. I passed it as a variable. I'm getting, this is the token. I got it when I run this command. So now I'm running this command. Here I'll get the instance ID. If you see here again, I'm getting the instance ID. Okay, like this we can secure our instance metadata. So whenever the application is required the metadata from the EC2 instance, they need to pass the token. So like this we can secure. So let's have the small comparison between IMDS version 1 and version 2. So version 1 has, it don't require any token. It requires token. It is very less secure. It has more secure. Okay, version 1 has vulnerable. Version 2 has vulnerabilities protection. So version 1 has get option only. So by running the command, we can get it. But version 2 has two options like put plus get. We need to put the token, then we have to get the data. So AWS is not recommended and AWS is recommended version 2. So this is the small comparison between IMDS version 1 and IMDS version 2. Once you change it to version 2 means required, we can also change back to version 1. Just selecting the instance, go to the action, instance settings, come down and change the metadata IMDS version 2 optional. We can save it. Again it went to optional means IMDS version it has. Okay, so like this you can change it. I hope this information is very helpful. Please like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel for more information. Thank you guys. See you in the next session.